Are you a busy woman who wants to lose weight naturally, without starving or spending hours in the kitchen? Then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 delicious and quick salads that help burn fat, boost energy, and fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. Make sure to watch till the end. Number 5 is a total game changer. Number 1, the grilled chicken avocado salad. High in protein and healthy fats, this salad keeps you full for hours. Toss in grilled chicken, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, sliced avocado, and a squeeze of lemon. That's it. Perfect for lunch or dinner. Number 2, the cucumber chickpea power salad. This one is loaded with fiber and plant-based protein. Combine cucumber, red onion, canned chickpeas, parsley, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. Make it ahead in a jar, grab and go. Number 3, strawberry spinach salad. Who says salads have to be boring? Fresh spinach, sliced strawberries, walnuts, and a drizzle of balsamic. Sweet, crunchy, and super heart healthy. Number 4, the Greek yogurt tuna salad. Swap mayo with Greek yogurt, and add canned tuna, celery, cucumber, and dill. Serve on a bed of lettuce for a low-carb, high-protein meal. And number 5, the quinoa rainbow bowl. Add cooked quinoa, roasted bell peppers, zucchini, and purple cabbage, and drizzle with tahini lemon dressing. It's colorful, satisfying, and amazing for your metabolism. There you go, 5 simple salads that make weight loss natural, delicious, and totally doable, even if you're super busy. Try them out and tell me which one's your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, healthy tips made just for women like you.